video of Bigcommerce special course. So in this video what we are going to do, we are going to install, or we are going to inject a script, a third-party script in the Bigcommerce storefront. So we got our Bigcommerce storefront set up here. Like I click on the storefront and then I will navigate to script manager. In the script manager I can see that there is no third-party script installed yet, so I can do like using my backend technology of Laravel. I can inject a script right in the Bigcommerce storefront, and according to its visibility it will be displayed on different pages of the Bigcommerce storefront. Like yeah, so I'm going to install my app right here. So when I install my app, so I coded it like that if I install my app, then a centralized file which I named it as app.js will be installed in the Bigcommerce storefront script manager. Like I'm confirming it, and when the app is installed we can find that app.js is installed with this test application. So I'm going to storefront and then I'm going to script manager, and I can see that app.js is installed and its location is all pages. It means its visibility will be on all pages and its placement will be in the footer section of the web page. Its type is third-party application. It's third-party application, yeah. So I'm going to tell you that how I did this. So this part was clear in the previous video, that how I generated the access token and store hash. So I created a function create script in which I passed the store hash and access token as variable and the file name which I want to create. So in this function which I created below, I generated a payload, so that this payload I can pass in the API to create script. So this payload consists of the name of the script, which is app.js, description, and the description will be the description of the file, and the src where this file is located. Like this file is located in the public js folder, and here like public js, so app.js, and env app url will be same like we did before. Env app url will be our ngrok url, and apart from it I have done auto uninstall true. What it tells that if app is uninstalled, then script will be automatically removed from the script manager, and its location will be footer. Visibility I told you that it will be visible on all pages, and its kind will be src. Kind src means it will be a reference file. Like we are not directly coding here, like we can directly code here also. So we are giving a reference of file like it is located in app.js. So this, it means kind is src. So I generated this payload and passed this payload here with this API, and apart from it, there is one important thing that I am passing the HTTP request with some headers, and header include X authentication token, which is XOT token, and the token we generated, we are using that token here. So that's the part. So when I installed it again, this app.js is created, and if I show you the app.js file, it control console.log abc. It means in the log section we have a string abc, so we can check it here. I'm going to view store button and I'm redirected here to home page. If I show you the console here, then you can see a string abc is printed, and it will be printed on all pages. like you see, I went to the blog page, and here also ABC is printed. Yeah, so you can find all the code in the GitHub link which I'm going to provide in the description below. So yeah, thanks for watching this video.